Hello everyone, welcome to the another tutorial of Python programming for beginners. In the previous video, we have learned about the introduction, why we need Python, and we have learned about the print method, the print function, how to print my name or anything. We have also got a little idea about variable or a container. So today we are going to discuss about the variable deeply, and we will also learn some types. Okay, so let's get started. Let's go to the idle and run it. Okay, so far we have learned this. Today we will learn about this deeply. What it means? It means A is a variable here. Variable means a container. A can contain anything, not just hello. Okay, it is containing hello right now, but it can contain for a number or a character. Okay, or this. Okay, so this is a variable. A variable means a container. It can contain some values or some data. So we can just use a equal to or x equal to or s equal to. These are the variables. Any character is a variable. Okay, let's say x equal to 9. X is the variable and 9 is the data or the value. Okay, so to write variable you have to know a little thing, that is you cannot start a variable with a number like 1 or 2 or this. You cannot start. Okay, you have to start a variable with a character like a, b, c, x, y, I, j. Okay, you have to start with a character. Then after the character you can use numbers like a1, a12, x45. You can write this, but you cannot start with number. Okay, but you can start with an underscore like underscore 1. This is also a variable. You have to know this. Okay, so usually we use variable like a, x, y, or name, or value, or result. We use this kind of variable. They are very common. So let's see what are the types. Okay, so if we write a equal to 5, so a is containing 5. 5 is an integer number, right? 5 is an integer number. It is an integer. 5 is an integer number. So what about 5.0? Is this an integer number? No, this is not an integer number. This is a floating point number. Floating point number or float. Okay, this is a float. Now what is this? This is a character. Whenever you write a character, you need to use single quotation or double quotation. So this is the format of character. You need to use single quotation or double quotation. So this is a character. Okay, character. So what is this? ABC. This means a string. This is a string. Okay, this is a string. A string means a combination of character. This is the combination of character that makes a string. It means hello is also a string. So these are the different kind of types. Okay, so let's know one thing more. 5.0 we have called it float. Okay, or floating point number, but we can call it here also double. Okay, float or double. 5.0 means float or double. There is a slight difference between float and double, but just know it for now. we will learn deeply about these types in future. So what have we learned? We have learned the variables, we have learned the different types, right? So let's print these different types. Like let's print, let's say a equal to 5, b equal to 6.0, c equal to a character, let's say a, d equal to, let's say, a string, let's say string is high. Okay, so let's print one by one. Let's print a, it will output the number 5. Okay, let's print b, it will give 6.0. Print c, it is giving a because I have put the character a. Let's print d will print high. Here they are giving the output that we have written here, right? We have written here. So these are the types and different kind of types and different kind of output. Okay, you have to know these types because in future you need these types to do some works. So I have you have understood all of the things. If you don't understand anything or if you have any query, please leave a comment. Please let me know in the comment box. Okay, so I hope it is helping you. I will teach more deeply about the programming and the Python, so you will get interest in it. If you have any suggestion, please let me know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and if it helps you, like the video. So goodbye.